David Morgan with you with Money and Metals for the week ending 17 July 2015. Well, the Greek tragedy continues. The people vote. They vote no, no more. We've had enough. And of course, Cyprus, under a lot of pressure, yields to the European Union, primarily the Germans, saying, you will pay. I find it ironic if you go back into history and look at Germany. Under World War I reparations, they were unable to meet the demands. It was impossible. Greek is in the same situation. And what happened? It was a hyperinflation in the Weimar Republic. And that led from that point into the World War II. I'm not going to digress and go into all of the history, but I do find the irony here. It's unfortunate. The voting isn't over, but the votes left to be cast probably won't make a difference. The Greek people say no. The bankers say yes. They're looking for assets that they can actually take, hard assets, and this is not going to end well. It's interesting to watch from this point to see what the Greek people as a whole do under these dire conditions. Moving on to the gold market, what we find are a couple things very, very interesting. With what's going on in the financial system and the monetary markets, we see gold probing new lows. Very unexpected for those that look at gold as a safe haven. On top of that, China reveals their vast increase in their gold holdings. It was really kind of a hiccup. Most of us that are analysts in the industry realize that what was purportedly their increase in gold holdings is a mere joke relative to what we know they have taken over the last several years. Why they reported it officially at a certain amount remains to be determined. There's all kinds of theories out there. I will not give you one. You can make up your own mind on that. But it is interesting that under these conditions, we see gold acting so poorly, again, probing for a low. Personal opinion here, we'll probably see gold and silver wash out into the summer doldrums, regardless of the financial background. And I think by early September, October, we will see the precious metals actually have put in a bottom finally in this intermediate term correction that's gone on for 4 years and start on their way up. Moving in the silver market, silver certainly has followed gold and gone down and has not made a new low, but again is probably one like the gold market. The inter-term low is 14.15 in the aftermarket or the Asian market. A few trades there at the 14.15 level. A lot of people looking for 12 or 9 or even 5. I don't think we're going to see those type of lows. I think we're pretty close or perhaps in. I'm on record as saying the 14.15 low is the low for this intermediate term move, meaning the last 4 years of misery for precious metals holders. Lots happening in these markets, and we'll continue to watch them on a daily basis and report at the end of each week. Don't forget to visit us at themorganreport.com. This is David Morgan signing out.